Unlock your genius, a journey of self-discovery and brain teasers. Welcome to a journey unlike any other. You know, the human brain is the most complex object in the known universe. It's capable of things that still make our most powerful computers look like toys, and yet most of us never really tap into its full potential. Today we're going to change that. We're going to dive into the depths of your mind to uncover your true potential through thought-provoking questions and fun brain teasers. So grab a notebook, sit back, and let's begin. Now I want you to really think about this first one. What is it that makes you feel truly alive? Is it the thrill of discovery, the satisfaction of solving a complex problem? Or maybe it's the simple joy of connecting with another human being. Whatever it is, hold on to that feeling, because that's your passion, your purpose, your own personal supernova waiting to explode. Take a moment, jot down your thoughts, and let's explore this further. Imagine for a moment that failure isn't an option. What dream would you chase then? Would you start that business you've always dreamed of? Write that book that's been brewing in your mind? Travel to the far corners of the earth? What's stopping you? Because often, the only thing standing between us and our dreams is the fear of failing. But remember, even the most brilliant stars started as dust. So dream big, embrace the unknown, and let's see where this journey takes you. In the vast expanse of space and time, it's easy to get caught up in the hustle and bustle of everyday life, but taking a moment to appreciate the wonders around us, both big and small, can shift our perspective in profound ways. So tell me, what are 3 things you're grateful for right now? It could be the warmth of the sun, the love of family and friends, or even the simple fact that you woke up breathing today. Gratitude is a powerful force, my friends. Don't underestimate it. A challenge that made you stronger. You know, in the grand cosmic dance, we all face challenges. It's how we overcome them that truly defines us. So let's delve into a defining moment in your life. What's one challenge you overcame that made you stronger? Was it a personal setback, a professional hurdle, or maybe even a scientific conundrum that had you stumped for days? Remember, every challenge, every obstacle is an opportunity for growth and learning. Embrace those challenges, because they are the forge that tempers the human spirit. Describing yourself in one word. Now this is a fun one. If you had to describe yourself in just one word, what would it be? Would you say you're curious, resilient, a maverick, or maybe even a bit of a space cadet? This single word can reveal volumes about your values, your passions, and your outlook on life. So choose wisely, my friends, and don't be afraid to own it. Rating your adaptability. Life is full of surprises, and our ability to adapt to change is crucial for growth and success. On a scale of 1 to 10, how adaptable are you when facing change? Think about the last time life threw you a curveball. How did you adapt? Did you embrace the change, or did you resist it? Comment your score below. We'd love to hear from you. And finally, here's our first riddle for today. I dare you to solve it. Write all your answers at the comments. If someone writes all the answers true, I will tag him at the next video. Don't forget to support us with a like. All right, let's switch gears and put those brains to the test with a classic riddle. Here it is. I speak without a mouth and hear without ears. I have no body, but I come alive with the wind. What am I? Take your time, think it through. The answer might surprise you. The more you leave behind, ready for another one? All right, here we go. The more of me you take, the more you leave behind. What am I? This one's a bit tricky, but I have faith in you. Remember, sometimes the most straightforward answers are the ones we often overlook. This next riddle is a real brain bender. What has to be broken before you can use it? It's a common household item, something you probably use every day. So put those thinking caps on, and let's see if you can crack this one. All right, time for our final brain teaser of the day, and this one's a real head-scratcher. What has keys but can't open locks. It's an object often associated with creativity and expression. Think outside the box on this one and see if you can strike the right chord. Your journey ends here. Congratulations, explorers. You've reached the end of today's journey, but remember, this is just the beginning. Your mind is your greatest tool. Keep pushing its limits with questions, riddles, and the pursuit of knowledge. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to challenge your friends too. And remember, your journey of self-discovery starts here. Follow us for more riddles, brain teasers, and self-improvement tips. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Check the description and join our Telegram channel. See you later, guys, at the next video.